Hi, this is the TCL 40SC and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the settings application, the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK, and now we could see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 28 and 8 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.